All 8 stitches are now demonstrated. Let's see what patterns remain. These English letters above are detailed in pattern 01. We'll skip them here. Please refer to pattern 01. Now for remaining patterns below. This pattern we showed above uses tailed French knot, including this pattern too. Let me demonstrate using 4 strands of color number 3. Let's stitch this tailed French knot. First, come up at center. Wrap thread twice around needle. Take down at small circle. Don't pull too quickly. Following tailed French knot method. Complete remaining pattern. Then, move needle below. Add straight stitch for line. Let's look at the result. Use 4 strands of color number 2 for this pattern. Again, start from center. Wrap thread twice. Take down at small circle. Following tailed French knot method. Complete all remaining patterns. Let's look at the result. Now for this pattern. It also uses tailed French knot, but stitched like branches. Let me demonstrate using 4 strands of color number 2. Come up here. Wrap thread twice. Take down at small circle. Pull thread slowly to avoid tangling. Complete pattern following these steps. Then use stem stitch for stems. Same color. Come up on right side of line. Make small stitch forward. Don't pull tight. Come up at middle. Following stem stitch method. Complete remaining lines. Take it down. Let's look at the result. Now for the final pattern. Using tailed French knot and satin stitch. Let me demonstrate. First, use 4 strands of color number 5 for petals. Start from center. Take down below. Split in half. Complete this side first, then the other side. Satin stitch is detailed in pattern 01. Please refer to pattern 01 to learn more. Continue with other side. Add tailed French knot above. Come up here. Now for remaining side. Use 4 strands of color number 4. Again, using satin stitch. First, split pattern in half. Complete one half, then other. Add tailed French knot above 2. Let's look at the result. This completes pattern 03 demonstration. Thank you for watching.